Welcome back to my channel, Algo Plus here. Today, I'm going to share with you one of a strategy that can generate 226% in return for 1.5 years. And it is not important about the percentage. I can say this strategy is really good because of the consistent profit without a big drawdown, which means that you can even put in high leverage without a big drawdown. You can really make a great profit. Imagine, let's say you put in $1,000. Every month, it give you another $1,000 to $2,000 in as a passive income. How decent is it, man? Okay, so this strategy I'm utilizing in Ethereum, and also I'm going to share with you, right, how did I form this strategy by combining three indicators together with a proper stop loss with also trailing stops. I also will give it to you about these three indicators and the different parameters. Even though if you do not want to use my strategy, you want to use it manually, you can start using it. You know, my channel, I'm just trying my best to combine all these different indicators to make it into one strategies, right? Because what I always believe is about data provens. You know, previously I'm trading for more than 8 years. I still remember my last buying Bitcoin time is 2016. I bought my Bitcoin somewhere about 800 plus. And that's where I start to force into the technical analysis traps, but I keep on finding more strategies. But afterwards, right, I keep on finding, then I realized about a lot of strategies, sometimes works well, sometimes doesn't work well. So it made me dilemma whether I want to trust on technical analysis or not. But until I come into a way of find a data proven strategy, which is workable in either 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and even 6 years in crypto. So this give me confidence about using it in long run can generate a very amazing profit for myself. So this is the way that I'm trying to share with you. Try my best, put into this strategy into your trading view and try to play around with the parameter. Every different time frame, it gives you a different result. And you're trying to find the best result you want. And from there, start to use it and you can see your profit there. Okay, let me go into this and start. Okay, this is what I already combined it. I name it as AI022. After that, you can see these 30-minute charts, right? I can generate 226% and the drawdown is only 8%. And all these strategies, right? A lot of people doesn't tell you that you need to deduct the transaction fees. I already deducted the transaction fee here with 0.06%. Of course, if you're a VIP, it is so much lower here and you can make even more return. Okay, but before about going into this, right? Let me share with you how I use all these indicators to combine it first. First, I'm using UT bot alerts. Okay, you go to indicator type UT bot alerts. Okay, the first one, okay, from Quant Nomads. Okay, you can click it twice because I'm using two. Okay, then after that, I am using ATR Stop Loss Finder to find my stop loss. And the last indicator I'm using is called STC, a better MACD. These indicators help me to do a verification. It's easier for me to utilize. If I compare to a previous normal MACD, right, there's too many columns, histograms, lines, different colors that will confuse you. Then after you utilize this one, there's some different setting here. First setting, UT bot alerts here. You can see key value 2, ATR 1, and the style change it to sell only. Remove the buy. The next one, the next UT bot alerts, right? The input change it to 2, the ATR period change it to 300, and remove the sell. Leave the buy there. Then after that, go to STC, a better MACD, the input parameter. This is the setting. The length 80, fast length 27, slow length 50, and AAA 0.5. Okay. And the last ATR stop loss finder is as usual. Very easy. What you need to do is about look for the sell button. When there's a sell indicates that alerts you to short it. And what you need to do, you need to wait for there's a red line there. Can you see there's a red line there in a better MACD? It's slanting down. When it's slanting down, which means that this is a time for you to short it. Then your stop loss can put it into ATR stop loss finder. Okay, then after that, the profit, you can take the profit like 1-to-1 first, 50% partial take profit, and the balance, let the profit fly. That's usually what we do. And if you want to go buy, if you want to go long, what should I do? Easy. Wait for, there's a buy signal here, a better MACD here, a green and slanted up, which means that this is like a rocket going to shoot up already. And when these two signals combine it, this is the time that you can go entry and long it. And remember, your stop loss is at ATR Stop Loss Finder. Okay, imagine this is the price of the stop loss. So as what I always do, right? Partial take profit 1-to-1 ratio first, and the balance, let the profit fly. See how far it can go. Okay, just set the safety pin. When it come back down, you just take the profit. That's all. There's another long example here. You can see a slanted up green line here in STC, a better MACD. Then after that, there's a buy signal here. These two combine it, and the stop loss is here, and the same 1-to-1, and this is a profit trade too. So remember, you can see there's a lot of trade here. There's some sell signal, but you don't go for short first until where? Until you see there's a red line slanting down here. I would say this is the one that you can refer and you can short here. So this is the way that how I use this. But of course, this is the hardest way. If we are having a better indicator, a strategies, why not we just use the strategies to enhance it with data proven? And this is where my AI022 comes in. Okay, I can search it into Ethereum USDT. Here, you can see this is what already prepared for you. You can just go to indicator and type AI022. You can click it here and you can see this. Remember, yours must be a bit different from me. Either the time is different or either mine is a premium account in TradingView. I can see something further. What I can see is about the properties. I can see 1.5 years, but maybe yours or maybe different people with different time frame. Okay, but I'm using Ethereum USDT spot charts and 30 minutes time frame. Okay, and this is a result. A winning probability of almost 70%. And you can see the drawdown is 8.57. And look at it, the Sharpe ratio. The Sharpe ratio means the drawdown is really very low, 1.881. That is a great result. How is the setting? You can see it here and just follow here. But if you are saying that, David, can I just modify in different time frame to use it? I say, no problem. Go ahead. For me, I also activate trailing stops, which means that when the profit hits 1.9%, I will just let the profit flies. And when there's a retracement more than 0.1%, I will just take the profit. That's all. This is how I play with trailing stops. So this is all the indicators already combined. You know, subscribe me and understand about how I utilize all different strategies with all the data itself, so that in every single time frame, whether this is 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, whether this is bull market or bear market, no matter Bitcoin can go to 1 million or go back to $1, I don't care. As long as Bitcoin move, it gives me a good result. It gives me a returns of my investment. Thank you for today.